Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to see recently watched reels on Instagram. So basically guys, Instagram does not have a specific feature to see a list of recently watched reels like it does for stories. But however, you might be able to see some recently watched reels through Instagram activity feed or explore section. So in order to do that, go to your profile. So in your profile, tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner. So after you tap on it, tap on your activity option available there. In like option, you will get to see all liked videos or all liked reels available here. So Instagram will show recent activity from accounts you have just liked. So it includes reels that your friends or followers you have interacted with. So that is it guys. You can also see the reels you have commented on. You can see every reels you have interacted with. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.